What if I told you that the wrong coffee maker could be the reason your mornings feel slow and frustrating? Yep, even in 2026, not all Keurig machines are created equal. Some are lightning fast but basic, while others pack premium features that can completely change your coffee experience. So which one is actually worth your money? In this video, we're counting down the 5 best Keurig coffee makers in 2026, comparing them head to head so you know exactly which one fits your lifestyle. And remember, all the links are in the description if you want to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Keurig K-Classic, and here's a bold question for you. Do you really need fancy features, or do you just want your coffee fast and reliable every single morning? Because that's exactly where the K-Classic shines. This machine is all about simplicity, giving you 3 brew sizes, 6, 8, and 10 ounces, and a large 48-ounce water reservoir. That means fewer refills compared to newer compact models like the K-Express. And yes, while it doesn't have a strong button like the K-Express or advanced multi-stream tech like higher-end models, it still delivers a consistent, familiar taste that many coffee lovers actually prefer. Now, here's where things get interesting. When you compare it to newer models, the K-Classic feels a bit bulky and less modern, but it fights back with durability and ease of use. No confusing menus, no learning curve. Just press a button and you're good to go in under a minute. Perfect for those groggy mornings, right? But what do you think? Would you trade modern features for reliability? Let me know in the comments. Compared to the K-Elite or K-Duo, it definitely lacks customization and versatility, but it also costs significantly less, making it a great entry-level option. So if you're someone who just wants a no-nonsense coffee maker that gets the job done every day without fail, the K-Classic still holds its ground surprisingly well in 2026. Number 4. At number 4, we've got the Keurig K-Express, and this is where things start to get exciting. Imagine getting a richer, stronger cup of coffee from a machine that's smaller than most others on this list. Sounds like a win, right? The K-Express is designed for modern kitchens with a super slim profile that easily beats the bulky K-Classic in terms of space-saving design. But the real game changer here is the strong button, something the K-Classic completely lacks, giving you a noticeably bolder flavor when you need that extra kick. Now, compared to the K-Duo or K-Elite, it's definitely more basic. No temperature control, no iced coffee optimization, but it nails the essentials perfectly. You still get 3 brew sizes and a decent 42-ounce reservoir. Though yes, it's slightly smaller than the K-Classic, meaning more refills over time. But let's be honest, most people will happily trade that for a sleeker design and stronger coffee. Performance-wise, it's fast, consistent, and perfect for back-to-back brewing without delays. So here's the big question. Would you go for compact and modern, or stick with something bigger and more traditional? Drop your thoughts below. Overall, the K-Express hits that sweet spot between affordability and performance, making it one of the best value picks on this list, especially if you want a simple machine that still feels upgraded. Number 3. Now, at number 3, things take a major leap forward with the Keurig K-Duo Hot and Iced Gen 2. And this is where versatility truly shines. Let me ask you this. What if one machine could replace 2? That's exactly what the K-Duo does, giving you both single-serve pod brewing and a full 12-cup carafe for family or guests. Compared to the K-Classic and K-Express, this is a completely different level of functionality. You're not just making coffee, you're choosing how you want it. And thanks to multi-stream technology, the flavor here is noticeably richer than the simpler models. Plus, you get features like brew over ice and a strong setting, which instantly puts it ahead of the lower-ranked machines in terms of customization. Of course, there's a trade-off. It's bigger, takes up more counter space, and costs more. But then again, you're basically getting two machines in one. Compared to the K-Elite, it offers more flexibility but slightly less control over fine details like temperature. And against the K1550, it's more home-friendly rather than built for heavy commercial use. So, which matters more to you? Versatility or simplicity? Let me know. In real life, this machine is perfect for households where coffee needs vary throughout the day, making it one of the most practical choices in 2026. Number 2. Coming in at number 2, we have the Keurig K-Elite, and this is where premium features start to take over. If you've ever wished your coffee maker could feel just a bit more personalized, this is the one to look at. With 5 brew sizes, adjustable temperature, a strong mode, and even an iced coffee setting, the K-Elite gives you a level of control that the K-Classic and K-Express simply can't match. And compared to the K-Duo, while it doesn't brew full carafes, it makes up for it with precision and speed. Plus, that massive 75-ounce reservoir means fewer interruptions even compared to most machines on this list. Another big win, quiet brew. Technology, because let's be honest, nobody wants a noisy machine early in the morning. Now here's something to think about. Would you prefer more control over your coffee or the ability to brew for multiple people at once? That's the real decision between the K-Elite and K-Duo. Compared to the K1550, it's more suited for home use rather than high-volume environments. But for personal use, it's easily one of the best. Overall, the K-Elite delivers a near-perfect balance of features, performance, and design, making it a top-tier choice for serious coffee lovers. Number 1. And finally, at number 1, we have the Keurig K1550. And this thing is an absolute powerhouse. Let me hit you with this. What if your coffee maker never slowed down, no matter how many cups you made? That's exactly what the K1550 is built for. Designed for offices and small businesses, this machine completely outperforms every other model on this list when it comes to durability and high-volume brewing. With a massive 96-ounce reservoir, it easily beats even the K-Elite, meaning you can brew cup after cup without constantly refilling. And unlike home-focused models like the K-Express or K-Classic, this one is built to last under heavy daily use. Sure, it doesn't have as many customization features as the K-Elite, but what it offers instead is unmatched reliability and speed. Compared to the K-Duo, it sacrifices versatility for raw performance. So here's the question. Do you need a machine for occasional use or something that can handle serious demand? If it's the latter, nothing else on this list comes close. For offices or heavy coffee drinkers, this is easily the best investment you can make in 2026. So those were the 5 best Keurig coffee makers in 2026. From simple and budget-friendly to powerful and feature-packed, there's something here for everyone. Now I want to hear from you. Which one would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome reviews. And remember, all the links are in the description if you want to grab one for yourself. See you in the next video.